Hi, my name is Nick Phelps, and today we're going to calculate the momentum of a BB fired from this airsoft gun.
Now to do this, we will need to find out the speed at which the BB will travel, which is 93.75 meters per second, and the weight of the BB, which is 0.2 grams. This will give us 18.75, which equals the momentum, which is grams by meters per second. Now I'm going to demonstrate how fast the BB will hit this target attached to the tree. As you can see, the BB is traveling at a high enough velocity to penetrate the paper. And that is all.